Well, what's up, friends? Another day out here at the Shabin. Like I said in the last video, we're going to be building a permaculture forest with bark chips and, you know, all that type of jazz. So we got our bark chips. We still got another load that's going to be equal about what we already have here. I'll give you guys a look here, and we're going to be putting all this stuff over the grass in this area, and that's going to be kind of the medicinal herb garden. And we're also going to throw in some, you know, some small cherry bushes, and we already have apple trees and stuff around there. And then this whole stretch over here is where next year we're going to be planting our vegetable garden and all our food crops, our annuals. And also we got some trees that are coming in about a month, some fruit trees and stuff that we're going to be planting over in the back section there too. So yeah, we're going to try to get some good use out of our land here, but I'm in the process. I've just been kind of throwing bark chips around all our fruit trees that I planted last year. Got about 8 of them. And then Kristen ran to town to get some contractors paper, and we lay that down first over the grass and then lay the bark chips on there, and that kills the grass, and it also that decomposes in as well, so works out pretty nice that way. And then when she gets back, we're going to start laying it out over in here. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, well, just showing you the progress we made so far. We're just kind of laying the contractor's paper out and then throwing bark chip piles on. We'll go over after we get it all laid out and smooth it out. But we just finished up with our first roll of contractor's paper, so as you can see, halfway there we ran out. So we're going to put another roll and get started and see how much more we can finish. Well, everyone, we are wrapping it up for the day. We ran out of our last roll of contractor's paper, so I'm going to pick some more up tomorrow after work. And the guy who was going to deliver more bark chips, he couldn't get here today, or I mean wood chips, not bark chips. But anyway, he's going to deliver those tomorrow. So let me show you the dent we put into the pile. So we had 2 piles, one that went this way and one that went up that way. Finished that one all up and used it all up in this front space here. We tried to put them up about 6 to 8 inches deep. So yeah, I'll continue on with this video tomorrow after work. Alright everyone, welcome to day 2. I just got off of work and I'm waiting for this other truckload of wood chips to show up. He should be here in about 40 minutes. But anyways, I'm going to get working on this. I picked up some more contractor's paper right here. This is what we are using to lay down to kind of kill the grass off or suffocate the grass, and then the grass in theory will decompose and feed the soil as well. And that, along with 6 to 8 inches of bark chips on top of it, hopefully by next year we'll have a super nutrition, awesome packed soil. But anyways, guys, there's the remainder of the wood chip pile that we've got. So I'm gonna get to pitchforking some of that in the wheelbarrow and hauling it over there. Alright guys, well, I'm getting ready to wrap up for the evening. I've completed a couple rows. I added this row right here, 2 rows on the back over there, and I finished 1 row over here. I'm a little disappointed in the bark chips that we got. I mean, most of it looks like it's all right, but it's got these big, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can brighten it up for you. It's got these big chunks of wood in here. Like, what the heck is this stuff? Come on. All this stuff. We paid almost the same amount for that as we did for this nice fine stuff here. But I don't know, we're gonna put this down into the vegetable garden, which is pretty much from halfway between where it is now to the gas tank and then over towards me. So coming this way, and that's gonna be the vegetable garden, and we're really not gonna plant any vegetables till next year, so we'll have a full year to decompose down, so it might still be all right. But anyways, another look at it. I want to give you guys a look at how deep I'm going with these bark chips. Now, I actually should have done this in the fall, but I didn't have this idea until, I don't know, around Christmas time. But I'm going about, I don't know, some places I'd say 8 inches, the other about 6 inches, and I have that contractor's paper under there. But I don't know if I mentioned before, we have probably 13 different fruit trees and other fruit bushes and stuff coming next week from the Burleigh County Soil Conservation. So we're going to be planting those, and we ordered a whole bunch of herbs this winter from Richter's Herbs in Canada, and that's going to be coming in about 3 weeks. So when we plant that stuff in here, what we're going to have to do, being that we didn't plant this fall or lay the stuff down this fall or last fall, is I'm just going to have to move the bark chips out of the way and then cut a hole into the sheet there, and then bring a tarp in and then dig a hole and then lay the dirt on the tarp, because I don't want to mix the dirt and the bark chips together. From the research I've saw on the internet, that's not the best thing to do. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up tonight. Got to work tomorrow. Got a nice sunset going on here. Let's see if I can darken it down here. Maybe not. Let's see. Nice sunset this evening. Kind of tired, had a long day, so I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Hope you're all doing well out there. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.